So once again, this is a video that I watched in 2018 when I was a selfish idiot thinking I was specialist, that good at bad free will. It's the same year that I watched Disney's A Hunchback of Notre Dame, or when I saw this video. As you can see, March 24th, 2018, in the digitized pic of this video, eabos, so much idiots, not special, stock, good or bad for you. Then Mr. Beast was November 2018. Yeah, it was like some 17th. Quasimodo is up there in the bell tower. Yeah, I'm glad Disney didn't make Quasimodo sound like a monster, because it makes him more human. It's my good weird voice. You can buy this good weird and a bad weird. So I'm glad they didn't make it deaf. Quasimodo's not deaf in the Disney or on the show at Notre Dame. These bells are really loud. Yeah, for some reason, the volume on this quote-unquote phone isn't loud enough. I tried. It's as loud as it can get. Yeah, a lot of people were there. A lot of people were there for the celebration. 850th anniversary of Notre Dame de Paris. Look at that.